Today we are here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee at the Baymont by Wyndham on the river. Right as you're like heading into like the main drag in Gatlinburg, right before you get to Hillbilly Golf. There's actually a liquor store right across the street. There's the Moonshine Mountain Coasters right there, but they're right on the road, so it's kind of loud. We're at the Baymont Inn Suites in Gatlinburg. Smells good.
Hey everybody!
Hello!
Today we are checking in to the Baymont Inn Suites here in Gatlinburg for Kim's birthday.
Yes, on the river.
Check-in was super easy. It's a really, really pretty resort. It's at what end of the Parkway would you say this is?
Like the beginning of the Parkway.
Okay.
Like right when you come out of the bypass from Pigeon Forge.
Because we normally come in at the other entrance, the other end of the Parkway here in Gatlinburg. Yeah, we're excited. We're here for the night for her birthday. We're gonna play in Gatlinburg tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. You ready to show them around?
Let's go show them the room.
Let's do it.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
Alright, so they do have these cute little luggage carts that we put all of our luggage on. Aaron's having too much fun. We got our snacks in the bag. We're at a cooler with some drinks. And we're gonna hop on the elevator. Luckily they do have an elevator. Loving an elevator. What floor are we on?
4.
What's our number?
421.
421. Alright, so right out of the elevator, they do have an ice machine, which is fantastic. Yay. And they have a soda machine. So that's fantastic. All along the post here, they have cute bears. This one's playing with a beehive. Super cute, but one thing I have noticed so far is the front of the rooms, you know, are pretty close to the road, so there's some road noise for sure. Look, there's bears everywhere. It's so cute. But we are heading to the room 421. I love this cute, like a little log cabin.
I feel like I'm pushing a baby carriage.
Yeah, like this cute, like little log cabin feel. Alrighty, here's the room.
It smells clean. It smells very clean.
That's cute. We got a king bed here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Alright, let's do first things first stop.
First up, turn on the AC. What are you doing? You looking for bed bugs? No bed bugs, we're good?
Yeah.
Aaron's doing the jump test. That didn't sound that good.
It's pretty nice, actually.
Feels comfy?
Yeah.
It's a shame you're not sleeping on it.
Yeah. I'm just a chauffeur this weekend.
Yeah, she gets to go home to the dogs.
So this is a giant king bed. Very cool.
Mm-hmm.
You have your little nightstand area on both sides, and there are 2 USBs, 2 outlets.
2
and,
USBs.
Yeah, sorry, USBs, 2 outlets, and each side has your own little lamp, so that's how you can control it. Maybe you want to stay up and read a book, or whatever you want. Obviously, your own AC in the room, like the majority of other
With the window.
hotels.
It's out to the road.
But I love the wallpaper.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Super
so
cute.
cool. Sets the mood perfectly for being in the Smoky Mountains. And we have a nice luggage rack here with drawers, so that's awesome. You literally throw up your suitcase, throw your stuff in a drawer if you're going to be here obviously more than a night.
Good size
Big old
TV.
TV. Nice little desk area. Got a couple shelves, lamp. Here's your guest service directory. And a closet right over here. Ooh, sorry. I don't think there's a light in here, but we have an iron, a step stool for vertically challenged folks.
Another
Your
luggage
ironing
rack.
board, another luggage rack, coat hangers, laundry bag. On to our little, I guess we need a little kitchenette, dinette area. We got a fridge. Very cool. Microwave. Hair dryer down here. Little storage container. Coffee maker.
Coffee.
Ice bucket. A couple cups. Don't look over there yet. Restroom. And it is handicap accessible.
Yeah, this room is definitely handicap accessible.
This doorway
There's-
is large. You can definitely fit a wheelchair in here.
Stool, very big in here. Bars you can hang on to.
I love this mirror though. It's pretty. It's like a little, you know, matted shadow with the lighting. It's great for a selfie. But yeah, it's definitely a lot of space in here. And you have a beautiful window outside.
But there is a tub. So it's not a walk-in shower, it's a tub. Put a nice round curtain rod. Love that. Looks like a nice shower head. Looks nice. The best is out there. Now for the best part. Everyone gets their own little patio here on the river with 2 Adirondack high top chairs.
With some cup holders.
Yeah.
The creek right below your feet. I mean, a few hundred
Look at
feet
this.
down.
We are on the top floor, which is the 4th floor.
Yep.
And we are high. It's actually kind of scary.
Well, yeah, if you're up here heights, you're probably not going to
Yeah, really, I'm leaning over with the camera.
But the view is worth it.
But yeah, every room has a creek, river view, whatever you want to call it. But it is gorgeous. The mountains there in the background. You hear a lot of road noise when we're out in the front, but I don't hear any road noise from here.
Exactly. You're not going to be spending a lot of time. You're just walking in and out. So don't let that deter you because this is worth it.
Yeah, all I hear is the sound of the river now.
Now again, this is a 1 bed room with the 2 suites. Obviously, it's for like a couple. I don't know. I'm sure they have larger rooms for bigger family, but the view is definitely really nice and definitely for an intimate stay. This is really, really nice.
And this room is an adjoining room too. So if you wanted to get a couple, I locked it. If you wanted to get a couple, rooms to share, you can do that as well. Because they do have adjoining.
Adjoining room. Well, we don't know the people over there.
Yeah, but that's an option for you if we're curious about that. We did look it up, and they do have a 2-bedroom suite here with 3 queen beds, so you can fit a larger family in this.
Yeah, that's big.
As well.
That's big.
But that view is definitely.
Oh, in the bathroom, what do they have? Shampoo and conditioner?
Yeah, we noticed there was no garbage can in the restroom, and there's only shampoo, conditioner, and face wash. So
Like
maybe
a bar.
bring your own hand soap if you're, washing your hands. I feel like would be really important because there is only that 1 sink too. But again, if you're staying in this room and you're a couple, so you're going to be sharing the space, it's not going to be a big deal. But I mean, there's definitely a lot of room in here too, so you won't feel tight, even just for a couple. And yeah, you're right in Gatlinburg, so.
I'm excited to sit outside.
Yeah, hopefully the girls will check out the hotel maybe tonight and film some of that. So we'll see you again tomorrow.
What y'all? It's the next morning, which is actually my birthday morning. Got to wake up to this absolutely amazing view. It's gorgeous, just listening to the sounds. It's really peaceful and quiet. Back here, I can't say the same, unfortunately, for the front of our room. The road is right there. It kind of was a little loud through the night. It woke me up a couple times, but it's all right. This makes it all better. These patio chairs out here, amazing, awesome, big butt friendly. They got little cup holders. They have the footrest, which is awesome. These are some really good chairs.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
You feel old today?
I feel old.
37?
So old.
You're almost up to my 40s.
Not yet.
You enjoy your stay?
Yes.
It was good?
Yeah. So just a little bit of road noise out front. And something woke me up at 7:30 this morning. Some construction sound somewhere, which wasn't fun. But other than that, everything was really nice. Just a little patio, these chairs. Awesome.
Awesome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
So this is the Baymont by Wyndham on the river in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. On the river, it is gorgeous here. The beautiful mountain view. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the Baymont by Wyndham with us. Me and my girlfriend had a very nice day. Sorry you didn't get to be a part of it.
It's alright.
Scared to take care of the dog. But it was very nice. Sitting outside on the balcony was super peaceful, and that probably was my favorite part. My not so favorite part is the road noise for sure. It's like literally right on the road, so, and it's kind of like a fast part of the road too, so you can hear a lot of loud mufflers and motorcycles and that kind of stuff. So that would probably be my biggest negative for this spot. But overall, it was a very nice day.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Happy birthday again. Today is her birthday, her actual birthday, August 24th. So we're gonna hit up Gatlinburg and have a good time.
Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, turn on your notification bell, and subscribe if you have not done so. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.
Bye.